If you want to make a wall like this in your kitchen, stay tuned for the video, and I'll show you how to do it yourself with minimal cost. You need these or similar mosaic tiles, which cost €5 per piece, and 22 pieces are needed for this wall. This side is glued with tile adhesive. We continue with the rest of the tile. Then the whole tile again. We have to cut the last column because the whole tile does not fit all the way. Insert the pieces you removed a moment ago into the empty space. Two small tips: if the glue has come out somewhere, gently wipe it with a damp sponge and fill the larger holes with pieces of tile. Now you can start grouting. Immediately spread it well with a damp sponge and fill the holes. After an hour or when the mixture is completely dry, gently wipe everything with a dry cloth. As you can see, the difference is obvious. And the result should be like this.